I am turning this nail into a tiny sword. The items I used are an oxygen settling torch, vice grips, tongs, dual-plex framing nails, and a hammer. I used the vice grip to tighten up the dual-plex framing nails and heat it up to a bright orange. I then took the round nail that was all heated up to a bright red and flattened it out. I heated it up multiple times so I could flatten out that round curve. I then wanted to give the blade a nice curve, so I inserted it in the hole and slowly but surely added curve by pulling my weight towards it. I had to get it straight again, so then I hammered it out and tried to make it even and straight again. There are two methods of rounding it out. I can insert it into the hole, or I can add it onto the anvil, onto the round part, like this. And then having to flatten out the edges, make sure it was really flat and straight. This is from beginning to end, and I've only done this 3 times. This was a great art project and bonding experience for my dad and I to work on in his welding garage.